Alright guys, so today I'm going to be changing out my fog lights. So here we are here. They're both broken. They still work, but I bought some new ones on eBay for I think 50 or 55 for both of them. I want to say 55, and they are brand new. They are glass, same as the originals, but they have the connectors. They're in great shape. They do have some hairline cracks here on these mounts, at least on this one. This one looks all right. So I'm just gonna put a little epoxy on those and then get them installed. And I'll show underneath the car for how they go on. All right guys, I'll show you underneath here. So here's the right one. All right, so you just have to take out these bottom screws here and here. They count from the bottom. Mine are Phillips. And then these two top ones at the top here, that one and that one there. And then once those are out, it should just pull, I'm guessing, out of the backside. And then I can get the new ones in. And then my plug-in, let's see. My plug's right here. There it is, that white one there. So you just have to squeeze it and pull it apart. It kind of like snaps together, it looks like. So I should be able to do that pretty easily, but I will show it after it's out. Alright guys, there's one out. It was pretty easy. For the cord here, all I had to do was just squeeze on this part here and then just pull down on it. You may have to hold the top side of it as well, but I didn't have to. It came out pretty easy. And then for these breather tubes, one of them just, there's a smaller tube that goes inside of this one that goes all the way up into the top of the engine bay. So mine came right out, like super easy to this one, and then out of the other one, you probably saw me in the time lapse there, I was squeezing it with a pair of pliers. Kind of loosen it up, and then I had to basically pull it out really hard for it to come out of this. But now that it's out, I can work on the other one and show that as well. All right guys, so this other one here, it's actually broken, it looks like, right there. And this one might be cracked on this side. But for the top pieces, looks like there's a lot of wires hanging down in order to get to them. Not sure if you can see, it's pretty dark. But I'll just have to work around them, like all these here. But should be fairly easy. Alright guys, now that they're all out, or that they're both out, you can look at them here on the table. And then here's the new ones. So yeah, they are, they're obviously original ones. I don't know how they originally broke. I'm guessing they ran into something. They got hit. But here's the pieces that broke off of this bottom one here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these old ones, because I don't think anyone's really gonna buy them. Even if well yeah, there's no repair to do because I'm missing big chunks of these glass pieces here. So I'll have to figure something out. But the epoxy on these is all dry. I put some there and a little bit there. and then on the back side right there, kind of where that crack is. And I just put a little bit on this side too, just in case. But also, if you're going to be taking these out, I would say take out the bottom screws, leave the top screws in, and then take out the breather tubes. Kind of pull those out, kind of while the light is still being held in place. It makes it a lot easier. And then once both breather tubes are disconnected, then you can take out the top screws. But now I'm gonna put the new ones in, and yeah. All right, guys. So it's actually the next day. Just got too cold yesterday to finish it, so I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these back pieces here and make sure there is lights in these, and if there's not, I'm just gonna use these because these ones did work out of the old ones, because it's really hard to tell through the glass if there actually is a bulb in there, and there's no way to test them, and I don't want to plug them in and get them all set up just to find out that they don't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out and see if there's bulbs. All right, guys, so take the cover off. As you can see there is a bulb inside, and then these back pieces here come off really easy. Just do a turn like that, kind of lock into place. And I already checked this one. There is a bulb in there as well, so we're set. Now I can go ahead and put these in, and I'll show that as well. Guys, so here is the fog lights in. They look pretty nice. I also just washed it. That'll be another video coming out, the time lapse. But yeah, now it actually looks nice in the front, not like a beater car. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and yeah, see you out there.